Hello guys, in this video we will see how to change the host name in Ubuntu Linux. First open terminal, verify the current host name. See, this is the host name. See, in this terminal, first part is of username and this is the host name. Or you can get the host type, just host name. See, this is the host name. Okay. Or give the host name CTL. See, this is the host name. Okay. This is the static host name. Now we will see we have different ways to change the host name. If you want to change the host name without reboot, we have to use the commands sudo hostname ctl set hostname, then provide the new hostname. I am giving ub2505 vm. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, we have successfully changed it, but still it is showing the old hostname. But if you run hostname, see, hostname is changed. Even if you run hostname ctl, see, hostname is changed. If you want to see this hostname, just open another terminal or exit and reopen the terminal. Open terminal. See, hostname is, see, the hostname is ub. Okay, this is the username. Type hostname. See, we have successfully changed it. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to change the hostname in Ubuntu operating system. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.